See this, I'm basically talking about pumps, the pumping system, because the pumping system consists of 70% of an average municipal expenditure in energy terms, and this is the most difficult thing to fix up. Now, the service delivery aspect is an aspect which will be completely resolved with this sort of a technology. This is a technology which has got 2-3 innovations in that. We have 2 patents on this particular innovation. But what I'm trying to stress is the completely different approach in looking at this pumping system. See, so far we were seeing the pumping system not as a a component, a service delivery component. It was basically seen as one machine, something else. Somebody says it's something to do with the energy. But in reality, it is one of your vital components to deliver a service to the society. And the most important thing is, here, all the elements, you have to instantaneously monitor who is getting water, who is not getting, what is the efficiency it is running. Today, if you see at today's situation, we don't have an account of any of these parameters in real terms. We don't even know at what efficiency these machines are running. It runs at, sometimes it can run at 10%, sometimes it can run at 90%. So this is a technology which will fix all these problems, align all the people together, and then possibly we would be able to benchmark our efficiency and monitor on a daily basis. Now, pumps, I would possibly skip this screen. Pumps possibly account 40% of India's power goes only into pumping system in one way or the other. And
service.
So your service, basic services are at free?
They will give you a contract as do the study and implement it.
Right.
The control system charge.
Right.
What it would cost for
What is the cost of the auditing? What is the cost of establishment?
See, auditing, I'll put it, sir.
An audit is
Agreement cost.
an agreement for you.
Yeah,
so agreement is totally different.
Yeah.
The auditing is absolutely different. So after the agreement, auditing,
see now before walking into this, before charging, earlier, we were charging on that, but we'll have to review again depending on the, what is the pumping.
You wanted to change the tariff also.
No, not really, sir. Actually, that's to make it simple. See, so much of saving is there within the system. To make it simple for the people, we wanted to tell them that, look, take it free. If people are committed, that's the best way to do it. We will earn much more in that.
We'll just take a short 10-15 minute break. To saying how do we monitor savings, how do we raise finances. Like in this case for pumping also, if you were not to go in for an ESCO model, I remember in Bangalore when we did this conference, this issue came up. If the municipality says, I will make this expenditure and do all the improvements, what is that kind of model, shared savings model. So all of these issues with respect to, and more so, we will discuss little more detail with respect to this 50 cities municipal ULB's street lighting project, which is being done under coordinated by APUIDFC. That project also we will take up in little more detail. So we will just come back here in 10-15 minutes after a quick cup of coffee.